Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Thank you for joining me again this morning with more learning. I know that we've been home for a long time, but you guys are doing such an amazing job. And I'm so proud of all of you. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I hope you got to relax and have some fun with your families. And I hope you're ready to get back into it. So let's go ahead and get started. So today is Monday. Like I just said, it's the very beginning of the school week. So it's a Monday. And who remembers what month it is? Does anyone remember? It's May. Very good. May. It's at the top of our calendar because it's the month. All right, so it's Monday and it's May, and we need to figure out the number. We are flying through May. I cannot believe how fast it is going. Let's count and figure out what today is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Excellent counting. Today is the 17th. Yeah, the 17th. So today is Monday, May 17th, 2021. Very good. All right, so for math today, we're going to continue working on subtraction. Hopefully you're starting to get the hang of it. If you need extra help, please let me know, okay? So today we are going to do, this one's kind of a coloring math page, so we need to figure out what the answers are and then color the books the proper color, okay? Which means you are going to need orange, pink, blue, and green. Okay, so we need to figure out what the answer of the question is, and based on what the answer is, we know which color to color in the book. So if the answer is 2, it's going to be orange. If the answer is 3, the book's going to be pink. If the answer is 4, the book will be blue, and if the answer is 5, it will be green. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use our number line today, okay, just like we did on Friday. So I see 7 subtract 5. So our first number is 7, which means that's where we start on our number line. So we start at the 7, okay? And it says subtract 5, which means we're taking 5 away. So with our second dot, we are going to move backwards on the number line 5 spaces. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's our answer? What number is our purple dot on? The number 2. Good. So this book, 7 subtract 5 equals 2. Now what color do we need to make 2? 2 equals orange. Very good. So we need to color this book orange, just like that, okay? You can go ahead and color that book. Let's move our dots off of our number line. Remember, you can use your fingers. You can hold your finger on the first number, and then you can count backwards with your other finger, okay? All right, so I see 7 subtract 3. So we need to start on the 7. Let's move our blue dot onto the 7. And then we're going to move our purple dot backwards 3 spaces. So we're going to start here and go backwards 3 spaces. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Who can tell me what our answer is? What number is this? It's the number 4. Very good. So 7 subtract 3 equals 4. Now we need to figure out what color this book needs to be with the answer being 4. So let's see. 2, 3. Oh, there's 4. What color does it need to be? Blue. Very good. Color that book blue. Great job. Okay, our next one is 6 subtract 2. So where do we start on the number line? This first number is where we start. 6, excellent. So 6, and we're gonna take 2 away, which means with our purple dot, we move backward 2 spaces. Ready? 1, 2. What number? 4, very good. We have another 4, so what color does our book need to be? Who remembers? It's going to be blue. There we go. All right, let's do the next one. I see 9 subtract 4. Okay, so we're gonna start here on the number line with number 9. And we're gonna move backwards 4 spaces. Ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's our answer? Our answer is 5. Very good. So what color does our book need to be if the answer is 5? Green, yes. Very, very good. So you can color that book green. Just like that, okay? Let's do our next one. I see 6, subtract 4. So with our blue dot, we're going to start on the 6 because it's our first number. And we're gonna move backwards this many spaces because it's our second number. So let's move back 4, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, what number is our answer? 6 subtract 4 equals 2, very good. So the answer is 2, and what color do we need to make the 2 books? Orange, good job. Okay, let's do the next one. I see 5, subtract 1. So we need to start at our first number, which is 5. So start on 5, and we're gonna subtract 1. So with our purple dot, we're gonna go backwards 1 space. Ready? 1. And what's our answer? Our answer is 4. Very good. So 4 needs to be blue. Good. Let's color that one in blue. All right, and we'll do one more together, and then you can do the rest, okay? So I see 6, subtract 3. So we're gonna start on the 6 because it's our first number. And then we're going to take away 3. Ready? Count 3 spaces with me. 1, 2, 3. And who can tell me our answer? It's 3. 6 subtract 3 equals 3. And what color does the 3 need to be? Pink. Wonderful. There we go. Just like that. So I want you to continue with the rest of the books, okay? Use your number line if you can, ask for help if you need it, and color those books in super nicely. And this is our next subtraction page. So what we need to do is figure out how many we have to make this equation make sense, okay? So as you can see, we're missing our first number. Okay, we're missing the first number, and the first number is what tells us how many things we have. So all we need to do to figure out the first number is count the pictures. So ready, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to put a 6 on this line because all we have to do to find out the first number is count the objects. Okay, so we have 6 subtract 4 equals blank. So now we have to answer the question. It wants us to take away 4, so let's use X's and cross off 4 scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And how many scissors are left? 1, 2. So the answer is 2. So our equation is 6 subtract 4 equals 2. All right, let's do it again. Let's count how many notebooks there are to find the very first number. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to put a 4 there because there are 4 items, which means our first number is 4. And it wants us to take away 3. So let's cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many notebooks are left? Just 1. So we're gonna put a 1 on the line. Good job. 4 subtract 3 equals 1. All right. Now we need to count the books to find out what number goes in this space. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 books, which means we need a number 3 on the very first line. 3 subtract 1, which means we need 1x equals, how many are left? 1, 2. There are 2 left, which means 3 subtract 1 equals 2. Very good. I'll do one more with you. Ready? To find this number, we need to count the glue sticks. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 glue sticks, which means the first number is 7. Perfect. And we're going to take away 2, which means we need 2 X's. We need to cross off 2 of them. 1, 2. And now to find the answer, we count how many are left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 glue sticks left, which means 7 subtract 2 equals 5. Very good. Now we know that these questions are subtraction because see the little line in the middle? It's just a line, which means subtract, okay? So keep your eyes open for that sign. You can do the rest at home. Remember, count all the items to get the first number, and then use the second number to place the X's and see what is left, okay? All right, and we have 2 new sight words today. Put your name on the top, and then you can trace the word. This word is in. In. Yeah, in. Very good. So I want you to trace the word in. Trace the word in. And then I want you to print the word or spell the word. I-N. Yeah. And then color the word in. In. Did you hear that? We're going to color it in. And the word is in. And then I want you to spell it. I-N. You're going to build the word. This is a word that you'll see lots in storybooks, okay? So keep your eyes open for the word I-N, in. And then your second word for today is for, F-O-R. This is not the number 4, okay? This is the kind of for, as in, I have something for you, okay? So it's different than the number 4. F-O-R, for. So you're going to trace it. You're going to write it in the boxes, F-O-R, and then you're going to color it in 3 different times. And then I want you to build it, F-O and R, for. Okay? And then I want you to try to remember these 2 words, in and for. And I want you to try to spot them in your books when you're reading with your families, okay? And then for our final little activity today, I would love for you to use your whiteboard and practice some more subtraction, okay? You can make some questions for yourself on the whiteboard, or you can make some questions for your family on the whiteboard, okay? You can use your counting blocks to help solve the questions or a number line to help solve the questions, but I want you to have some fun with it and see if you can come up with some tricky subtraction questions, okay? And that's all for today. We're going to keep it short for Monday, and I will see you tomorrow with another video, okay? Thank you for working so hard. I hope you enjoy the videos, and I miss you all, and can't wait to see you soon. Bye, guys.